Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in for this quick road assessment, and welcome to Jordan Ranch, a new master-planned community in Fulshear, Texas. Today, we'll examine Jordan Crossing Boulevard, a street that cuts through the heart of Jordan Ranch. Let's get started. For the most part, Jordan Crossing Boulevard is currently in very good condition. The road is smooth and well-maintained. The driving surface is new and responds as a new road would be expected. Mainly due to construction efforts in the area, the road shows minor signs of slightly faded lane markings in a few areas that do not significantly impact visibility. There are also some light skid marks and small amounts of construction mud present, likely from ongoing nearby home building and amenity development, but these are minimal and do not detract from the road's usability. Overall, Jordan Crossing Boulevard remains clean, functional, and safe for regular traffic. Drivers may be pleasantly surprised by the impeccable landscaping, as Jordan Crossing Boulevard features beautiful, thoughtfully designed landscaping that enhances the overall appeal of the roadway. The street is lined with a variety of trees and native plants, creating a natural, welcoming atmosphere for residents and visitors alike. These plantings not only add visual interest throughout the seasons, but also reflect a focus on sustainability and harmony with the local environment. The greenery provides a pleasant backdrop for travel along the boulevard, contributing to a well-kept and inviting streetscape in Jordan Ranch. Did you know Jordan Ranch is designed as an agri-hood, meaning it blends traditional neighborhood living with a working community farm? Residents can actually grow and harvest their own fruits and vegetables at the on-site Sunset Farm, making farm-to-table living part of everyday life right in their own neighborhood.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.